my friends and students, today we are going to review and learn something about adjectives in English. So adjectives, for reviewing our lessons and learn some adjectives, I made some adjectives, I copied out them. So our lesson, our learning adjectives vocabularies consists of several steps. So first stage, learning and pronouncing the adjectives in English. So they are not difficult adjectives, all of them, but so let's review them. Easy. Can you repeat easy? Can you say easy?
Easy.
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 So do you know easy in Tajik language?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Awesome.
So, do you know what is opposite?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What is opposite?
Muqabil.
So, what is opposite of easy?
Difficult.
Difficult. Good job. So, our next adjective is delicious. Delicious. Can you repeat delicious?
Delicious.
Delicious. So, what does it mean in Tajik language?
Bomaza.
So, what is the opposite of delicious? Horrible. So, we learn it in Hebrew, right?
Yes.
So, what about the next is beautiful? Can you repeat? Can you say beautiful?
Beautiful.
So, beautiful in Tajik language, zebo, right?
Yes.
So, what is the opposite of beautiful?
Ugly.
Ugly, right? So the next adjective is cold. Can you say cold? Cold. So what is the opposite of cold? Hot. So next one is expensive. Expensive. So the expensive, what is expensive in Tajik language? Right? Qimmat. So what is the opposite of expensive? Cheap. The next is big. So what is the opposite of big?
Small.
Very nice. And next adjective is nice. Can you say nice? Nice. So what is the opposite of nice? Bad. Good. And next one is friendly. It's also adjective. And what is the opposite of friendly? Unfriendly. Good. Next one, this is the second time. Nice. And opposite of nice? Bad. And then the next is difficult. So difficult in Tajik language, mushkil, right? So what is the opposite of difficult? Easy. Very nice. And next vocabulary is interesting. What's the opposite of interesting? Not interesting? Boring, right? So next one is small. Can you say small? Can you say small? What is the opposite of small? Big. So in the second step of this activity, we are going with the students, we are going to repeat them one more time and also to make sentences. Okay? If you can make sentence, raise your hand and say your sentence. Okay? So the first one is easy. So can you make any sentence easy? Okay, please.
Our homework was easy.
Our homework was easy. Very nice. So next one is small. Yes, please.
Car is very small.
The car is very small. Yes, please.
The ant is a small insect.
The ant is a small insect. Okay, any other person with small? Yes, please.
Our school is small.
Our school is small. Good. Next vocabulary is interesting. Interesting. Yes, please.
My book is interesting.
My book is interesting. Yes, please.
There is a very good, there is interesting book.
Good.
Italy is interesting.
Country, right? Italy is an interesting country. Yes, please.
English language is interesting.
English language is an interesting language. Okay. Difficult. Difficult. So, yes, please.
The housework is difficult.
The housework is difficult. Okay. Any other example? Difficult. Is English a difficult language?
Russia is a difficult language.
Russian is a difficult language. Okay. Next vocabulary is nice. Nice. Yes, please.
My mother is nice.
My mother is nice.
Dubai is very nice.
Nice.
It has nice character.
Characters. Good.
Our English teacher is very nice.
Okay. Next one is friendly. Who can make a sentence with
The
friendly?
people are friendly.
The people are friendly. Okay. Any other example?
The Rush district is have people friendly.
The Rush people are friendly. Okay. Any other examples with friendly? Yes, please.
The Dushanbe people is friendly.
People of Dushanbe are friendly. Good. Next one is nice. One more time. Nice. Yes.
It is she is a good, nice girl.
She's a nice girl. Today is nice day. You can say it. So big. Yes, please.
Is the house big?
The house is big.
Our school is big.
Our school is big.
Its book is very big.
This book is very big. It's very nice. And then expensive. Expensive. Yes, please.
Our street shop is very expensive.
Our street shop is very expensive.
Car is very expensive.
Okay.
Bugatti is very expensive car.
Okay. Yes, please.
The house is very expensive.
The house is very expensive. Very nice. And next one is cold. Yes, please.
Antarctica is very cold.
Antarctica is very cold. Yes.
The weather is very cold.
So what is the opposite of cold?
Hot.
Hot. Can you say any example is hot? Yes.
There's a hot weather.
Today is
In
hot.
summer, the weather is very hot.
Very nice. Hot or cold? Hot and cold.
Pizza is a cold. Hot.
Okay. Good. Next one is beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, please.
Dushanbe is a modern and beautiful city in Central Asia.
Okay.
It's
Good.
a beautiful house.
This is a beautiful house. Any other example? What is the antonym? What is the opposite of beautiful?
Ugly.
Ugly, right? So next one is delicious. So, example.
The Tajik people prepare delicious food.
Good.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious. And what is the opposite of delicious?
Horrible.
Horrible, right? So,
The soup is delicious.
the soup is delicious. So, thank you very much for the second step of this activity. And the last step of this activity, so I show you these vocabularies, and you have to make. I said the topic, and you have to speak about that topic and using these adjectives. Okay? You understand? So I share them with you. You have to hold them like this. Okay? Hold them like this. And then, if you are ready, then you can come up and speak. You understand? Very nice. And the third step, the students are going to say, I said the topic, the name of the topic, and they have to speak about it. So, the first topic, who is ready to speak about Dushanbe and using these adjectives? Dushanbe. Yes, please.
Dushanbe is a modern and beautiful city in Central Asia, and Dushanbe has many parks. For example, Umar Khayyam Park, Ohijamunon Park, and many others.
So, who can speak about my friend and using them? My friend. Yes, please.
My best friend name is Marshall. He is a small. He likes cold and he is beautiful.
Okay. Thank you very much. And who wants to speak about Tajikistan and using them? Yes, please.
Tajikistan is very beautiful country in the Central Asia. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. Dushanbe, the people are friendly and have many beautiful buildings, and it has a small street. The people prepare delicious food. It has many parks. For example, parks. One of the big parks in the Central Asia is Parcham Park. Why named it Parcham Park? Because it very big. It's very big in the Dushanbe. Now Dushanbe making new stadium for football. It is.
So, did you use interesting?
Yes.
What can you say about interesting you're talking?
The park is interesting. The
Park is expensive.
The shop is expensive.
The shops are expensive, difficult, small.
It has many small streets.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Sit down. So these were some steps for teaching adjectives for new English learners. So in the future we plan to do many other different activities regarding learning English language for people who like to learn English language. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your participation into this activity.